Small goals keep a man safe, but they stop his growth. Very big goals, without a clear plan, can break him. The problem is not dreaming big. The problem is dreaming big without daily support. When you set a level for yourself, your mind, focus, and self-control slowly move toward it, but only if you build simple daily systems. If your goals are too small, you never improve. If your goals are too big without structure, you get tired and quit. A smart person sets big goals, then builds easy habits and daily routines to reach them. Success is not just about big dreams. It is about small actions done every day that push you forward step by step. Every minute you spend overthinking is a minute you lose from building something better. Problems will not go away by waiting. You must face them directly. If you avoid problems, you get stuck. If you take action, you move forward. Protect your progress. Choose action over fear every single time. Small steps today create strong results tomorrow. We cannot always control our feelings, but we can control our next action. Feelings come and go. Your actions decide your future. When you control your response, you take control of your life. Do not let emotions slow you down. Try to improve a little every day. Small progress each day leads to big change over time. If you do not see your own value, you stay with people who do not respect you. This becomes a cycle. The same people, the same pain. The cycle ends when you start seeing yourself clearly. When you raise your standards, your circle begins to change. When you build discipline, your environment also changes. You decide your value. No one else defines you. Many people keep waiting. They keep planning and planning. They want the perfect time to start. But perfect time does not exist. Perfection is a trap. It stops us from taking the first step. We do not know our best self at the start. We discover it while moving forward. Action gives us experience. Experience helps us learn and grow. Do not wait for perfect. Start today. Improve a little every single day. Stress and doubt take away your energy. They make you feel weak. Creating something gives you power. Discipline makes you strong. Belief helps you move forward. Choose the path that builds your future. Do not choose the path that breaks your spirit. Strong actions today create a strong tomorrow. If you focus on the negative, you walk in that direction. Your future grows where your thoughts stay. So plant thoughts of belief, not thoughts of fear. Give time to your purpose. Do not give power to doubt. What you feed becomes stronger. Choose your thoughts wisely. I always see closed doors as chances. A closed door is not always a warning. Sometimes it is a challenge. Many people just turn away. A better way is to stop, think, and ask yourself, is this door really locked, or am I not trying hard enough? Is it closed for a reason, or is it testing my patience? Should I find another way, or is it time to move on? Not every door is meant to open. Weak people see rejection. Strong people try to understand and keep going. Motivation is like a spark. It feels exciting, but it does not last long. You cannot hold it in your hand. It comes and goes. Systems and habits are different. They are like a steady fire. They keep burning even after motivation is gone. Build small habits every day. They create real lasting change. Your week is like a system. If your week feels messy, it is because there is no plan. Each day has a job. Set your standard. Build your momentum. Keep applying effort. Finish the day strong. A strong week comes from small daily actions. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The key to achieving your big goals is to stop planning and start building simple, daily systems. Action beats anxiety. Control your response. raise your standards, and choose discipline over fleeting motivation. Focus on today's small steps. They are the foundation of your strong tomorrow. Start now and keep improving a little every single day.